Hi, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon or good evening. It's me again, Jeff. And at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we will be witnessing the actual presentation of our three groups. And every group has a total of 4 members. And these 4 members are expected to do their on-the-spot chant. Kaninong cheering nga ba ang mananaig? Kaninong cheering nga ba ang magiging patok sa ating dalawang invited judges na si A.M. Joyce and her husband, Sir Anton. And this cheering competition promotes creativity, fun, and a way of nurturing good camaraderie. So, let's watch this. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Panoorin natin sila.
Team name. Team name mo nandun sa kanila.
Boss yung wire.
Dug na! So, mga kamamil at online viewers, ating pong tumayan ang presentation ng nag-iisang agresibong team. Nanalo na ng talking about Team Baka!
Boss yung wire.
Ay, pinaalis ka? Minus points na kayo. Pinaalis yun.
5, 6, 7, 8. Team Baka, are you ready? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
Sabay na sabay
5, 6, 7, 8. Abaka, baka, abaka, baka, abaka, baka, abaka naman. Abaka, baka, abaka, baka, abaka, baka, baka naman. 5, 6, 7, 8. Feliz Navidad, tan 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 tan. Feliz Navidad, tan 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 tan. Feliz Navidad.
Go Paul, kaya mo yan.
Para malaway ka na lang. Isa na lang sinili ka.
Team Baka!
Of course, hindi magpapatalo ang team, Team Aw.
Lasing na,
Team Aw.
lasing na.
Wait lang. Dahil dyan, wait lang now kasi kailangan madokumento. Mga kamamil at online viewers, atin pong tumayan ang presentation na nag-iisang grupo, palaban na palaban, of course. We have Team Aw, ladies and gentlemen, Team Aw, floor is yours.
5, 6, 7, 8. People step aside, cause you're gonna fight. There's nothing you can do, you can lose or fight. So you're on the bed, keep this grip. People now down all over the place.
We are Dogside! Dogside! We are Dogside! Dogside!
Ano yung ganun?
Yung last group.
Pagpasok namin sa...
Kasi sa presentation niyo, may i-mute ako. Dogside. Sige, wait lang. Ready na ba? Okay. So again, mga kamamil at online viewers, excited na po kami makita ang presentation ng palabang grupo. We have Team Bibe. Team Bibe, take it away.
Ibe.
Team Bibe! 1, 2, 3, go! V-I-V-E, Team Vibes! V-I-V-E, Team Vibes! B-I-B.
That's Team Bibay. This juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we will be announcing the winner for the best cheering competition. So, to do the honor, may I call format. So, kasi AMJs na lang. So, AMJs will announce the winner for the best cheering competition. Ito na, huwag na natin patagalin pa.
First of all, syempre, congratulations to everyone. Effort is effort, diba? Okay, so bilang magagaling lahat. Nagtalo kami mag-asawa kasi kung sino mananalo eh. Sabi niya, magaling to. Pero syempre, we have criteria for judging. May nagtay, pero meron isang umangat. Okay. For the tie, 97% sila pareho. Team Moo and Team Doggy. So, ang nanalo is Team Vibe. With 98%. Why? Kasi may effort sila for the props din. So, yun naman sila.
Oh, congratulations, Team Vibe! Oo. So maraming salamat sa inyong effort. Sige Renz, i-display mo pa Renz. Sabi ko na, points na nga eh, points. Yun na eh.